the buttermilk. You gotta let your onion and garlic
Yeah.
caramelize.
Yeah, caramelize. I need caramelize.
Yeah, you gotta put some of this in there.
Yeah.
Fermented seed. See that?
Yeah. It's also the good beets.
Yeah. Put a little chicken. A little chicken broth.
It's also the good soap.
Yeah.
Now we got to stir it up.
Yeah.
And then make it also.
You know what's gonna go in there next? My beef. Then I got my beef right here. See that? That's my beef. That's for my soup.
Yeah.
And where is it going? In
the
here.
pot.
Yes. So I usually sieve my noodles out. You can add noodles if you want, but this wouldn't be the point to add your noodles because it'll make it stick to the bottom. Because this the process is going to take about an hour and a half for this soup to cook. So just get it in there like that, stir it up. Then I'm going to start adding my water. I like to make my soup from the bottom up, not from the top down. I like my meat to be seasoned. And there we go. Okay, so I have my meat all sauteed up. I have some water here from the kettle. Then I'm gonna slowly just keep adding water. This is probably gonna take like 4 kettles of water. Stir it up. It has the color already. So I'm gonna cover this up and let it go on simmer. Just cutting up all my ingredients for my soup. This beef is gonna be packed with flavor. Okay, we started from the bottom and we're adding water slowly, bringing it up. At this point, we could add some of our chocho. I already added thyme chopped, but I'm still gonna add some more thyme to my pot because it's soup and I like thyme in soup. The aroma, flavor is nice. So this has been on its own for 5 minutes. I'm gonna be adding some more Maggi beef soup. That's what I do. And my kettle is boiling, so I'm gonna add another pot of kettle hot water right in there and just bring it up slowly. Yes, I just added another pot of hot water inside here. I like to use the beef neck. A lot of flavor where the bone is. When I'm not using the beef neck, I use the beef shank. So I have my sweet potato, I have my pumpkin, I have my thyme, I have my onions, everything in here. You can never put too much onion in soup. Got garlic, I got pimento seeds or allspice. You could use bay leaves. I got my provisions already all cut up, ready to add it to my pot. I'm gonna spin up some dumpling in the meantime. You see that? It's very nice and look at that. Have body already. So I'm gonna add a bit more water to it just so that water helps the meat to cook. Third pot of hot water. It's been boiling now for about half an hour. I think the meat's gonna take another half an hour to get really soft. Normally I would put my meat in my pressure cooker, but I just wanted to show you this way. If I had to put in the pressure cooker, I could do the whole process in about an hour. Stove top without a pressure cooker probably take me like an hour and a half. If anybody ever had my soup before out there, this is something that's never missing from my soup. I love corn, and the babies love it too, so I always cook with it in here. I like to put my sweet potato in there so it boils away, helps to give it body as much as the pumpkin. At the end I'll still put a few more sweet potatoes in there. Can't go in there. There we are. See that color already? That's from the pumpkin, from the Maggi, and the sweet potato. Okay guys, so I'm about to add all this here to my pot. Meat's cooked, so I'm gonna give it another 20 minutes
Hey,
with
you
this
do
stuff.
Give me one.
There you go.
Papa, actually, you don't give me one.
Don't worry, you're gonna get the soup to eat in 20 minutes. I'm gonna let this cook for 20 minutes. I'm gonna add a little more water to it. Add some water, I gotta add a little more seasoning. There you go. Just gonna wanna bring it up to about right here. I don't want it to bubble over. We're gonna let it go on bubble another 20 minutes. Shocho, carrots, cassava. That almost falling off the bone, guys. Gonna let that one bubble. Okay, guys, we're all done here. Beef soup is all done. Do remember to like and subscribe and tell a friend. If you like my process, please comment. I'm gonna dig in.